Les Sénégalais sont là pour dire non.
De vous dire de foutre le camp de chez nous. Leave us alone. Leave us alone. Leave us alone. Leave us alone. Big man, please come send some more to these French people. Tell them to leave the heck out of Africa.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are back again in front of the French representative of the United Nations. In case you're wondering, we are an African community crying out loud for help from the world. We want the French to get the hell out of Africa. The French has extorted all of our natural resources, have killed all of our good leaders. The French are criminals. We want them out of Africa and we want it now. We want the French out of Africa and we want it now. The French government is a criminal government. They are killing African children. They are bringing terrorists into Africa and acting like the hell, and they're not. They are the actual terrorists. The French are criminals and the world should know. In case you're wondering, they steal 500 billion from Africa a year. They steal all of our natural resources. They are criminals and the world should know. We want the French out of Africa. Mali has officially kicked them out. Mali has officially banned the French language out of their schools. Burkina Faso is also facing them and telling them no more free money for France. I wonder why a continent like Africa that has all these natural resources and we cannot be developed because France have not allowed us to be developed. France is a criminal country. French are criminals and the world should know. We have promised the French that we will keep coming. We want our voice to be heard. We want the world to know that France is a criminal country. France depends on us. We don't depend on the French. In case you are wondering, Africa is a very rich country in natural resources. But in order for the French to have access to our resources, they finance terrorists and bring them to our countries and give them arms to have them create a disaster against our government. And then the same French will turn around like the wonderful saviors, and they're not. They are criminals. The French are criminals. We ask that the world ask France to liberate Africa for once. We are not criminals. In case you are wondering, America may have an excuse to keep their military in Germany. But what is the French excuse to keep their military in Africa? We don't kill anybody. We don't have nuclear weapons. We don't have terrorists. We are wonderful people. We are wonderful, wonderful, wonderful people. We are not hostile. We are very, very, very friendly community. Africa is a very welcoming continent. We welcome everybody to our wonderful land. But we don't want no criminals to come over there and give us all these bad titles and attack our people, kill our children, kill our hope. Our hope is the wonderful leaders that we have in Africa. We have Usman Sonko. What did they do to Thomas Sankara? What did they do to Patrice Lumumba? What did they do to all these wonderful leaders before Usman Sonko? And now, they jailed Usman Sonko. They're doing everything they can. They want to take the giving you a warning, friends. If you think that era of Africa that you had in the past is still the one that we have, you are very wrong and you are mistaken. Because this new generation of Africans, you see them every day. Usman Sonko, Kemi Seba, Natalia, all the other wonderful people, Mampa Usman Sonko, and all these people. Know that we're going to face you. And this time, you're going to be the loser. You're going to be on the losing side. Free Senegal!
Free Senegal!
Free Senegal!
Free Senegal!
Free Usman Sonko!
Sonko!
Free Usman Sonko! Free Senegal! La France dégage! Macron dégage! Macky Sall dégage! La France dégage! Macron dégage! Macky Sall dégage! La France dégage! Macky Sall dégage! Macron dégage! Free Ousmane Sonko! Free Sénégal! Free Ousmane Sonko! Free the political prisoners! France dégage! Macky Sall dégage! Macron dégage! La France dégage! Macky Sall dégage! Macron dégage! Free Senegal! Free Africa! Free Senegal! Free Africa! La France dégage! Macron dégage! Macky Sall dégage! La France dégage! Macron dégage! Macky Sall dégage! Free Ousmane Sonko! Free Ousmane Sonko! Free les détenus politiques! Free Ousmane Sonko! La France dégage! Macky Sall dégage! La France dégage! Macky Sall dégage! Free Ousmane Sonko! Free Sénégal! La France dégage! Macky Sall dégage! Free Ousmane Sonko! Free Africa! La France dégage! Macky Sall dégage! Free Ousmane Sonko! Free Sénégal! Free les détenus politiques! La France dégage! Macky Sall dégage! In case you're wondering, 80 children has been killed in Senegal. Wow! 80 children have been killed from Senegal. Where are the human rights organizations? I wonder, who are the lobbyists behind all this? Where are the human rights organizations? There are 1,200 people unjustly imprisoned in Senegal. Where are the human rights organizations? In case you're wondering, they are silent. Silent. They are silent. I wonder why we call ourselves the liberators of the world. But yet, we are sitting around quietly watching France assassinate innocent children, innocent women, innocent men. Why? Only in Senegal, you have a militia that's legally recruited by our government. Our government thinks having a militia is legal. They buy guns, they buy ammunition in a very peaceful country, and they are killing our children. There are blood running in the Senegalese streets. France created a chaos in our country. France is a criminal country. The that says Pastef, the opposition party won here, only in Senegal. In 2023, in the 21st century. France is a criminal government. Incarcerating all the French fries and thinking, okay, all this wonderful dessert and all this bonjour you hear, what's hidden behind is France is a criminal. And the world should know the French government is a criminal. And the world should know France is a criminal country led by a criminal president that creates terrorists in Africa. There is no terrorist in Africa. Terrorism is created by France. Terrorism is created by France. France is who created terrorists in Africa. France was who created terrorists in Africa. Now, take a nice picture of those statues. Look at what they represent. France thinking that Africa, we are ignorant, he says. Well, no, we are not ignorant, Mr. Macron. You are ignorant. Because you are married to your kindergarten teacher. Tell us if we're the ignorant ones. You are the ignorant ones. We know you. We know you guys are fools. The French government is a criminal government. And the African leaders that support them are criminals. And Macky Sall is one of those criminals. He's a traitor, a criminal, a thief, and all the above. A killer. Macky Sall is a dictator. Backed by the French government. Macky Sall dictateur. Macky Sall assassin. Free Senegal. Free Senegal. Free Ousmane Sonko. Free Bassirou Diomaye Faye. Free Fadilou Keïta. Free Cheikh Bara Ndiaye. Free Cheikh Bara Ndiaye. Free Cheikh Bara Ndiaye. Macky Sall dictateur. Macky Sall assassin. Macron assassin. France dégage. France dégage. Macky Sall dégage. Macron assassin. Macky Sall assassin. Free Cheikh Bara Ndiaye. Free Fadilou Keïta. Free Ousmane Sonko. Free Bassirou Diomaye Faye. Free Cheikh Bara Ndiaye. Free Abdou Karim Gueye. Free Cheikh Omar Diagne. Free Cheikh Omar Diagne. Free Hannibal Djim. Free Hannibal Djim. Free Abdou Karim Gueye. France dégage. Macron dégage. Macky Sall dégage. Macky Sall dictateur. Macky Sall assassin. Macky Sall dictateur. Macky Sall assassin.
However you feel.
Daddy,
Yeah.
Mommy needs to go to the hospital for Khadijah's vaccine.
No, but we can't leave right now.
Go ahead.
Walaikum salam.
Hi, friends. We're here today to let you know that we will not stop coming here. As long as you want, we'll be here. Pass the message along. But it's not a joke. Honestly, there's a lot of people being killed right now. I just want to know if any of you have children, to understand the feeling if your children going outside and not knowing if they're going to come back. I just want you to take a time to look at it as if it was you in our position, that we at our own home, and it don't even feel like we at our own home. are imprisoned in our own home. We are locked in our own home. We are killed in our own home. We are tortured in our own home. There's endless things to even describe what's happening back at home in Senegal.
waaw léegi jàpp leen ngeen taxaw ci wetam.
But to be honest,
wetali leen ko gisoo dafa wet day xool nii xool gauche xool droite. You know, she looking left and right. Where are my people? Who's backing me up? Macky Sall dictateur. 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 Macky Sall terroriste. 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 Macron terroriste. Macron terroriste. La France terroriste. Macky Sall terroriste. Macron terroriste. La France 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 assassin. La France assassin. Macky Sall assassin. Macron assassin. La France assassin. Macky Sall assassin. La France assassin. Macky Sall assassin. La France assassin. La France assassin. Free Ousmane Sonko. 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 Macky Sall dictateur. Macky Sall assassin. 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 Macky Sall dictateur. Macky Sall dictateur. Macky Sall dictateur. Macky Sall dictateur. Macky Sall assassin. Macky Sall assassin. Macky Sall assassin. Macky Sall assassin. Macky Sall dictateur. Macky Sall dictateur. Macky Sall dictateur. Macky Sall assassin. 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 Macky Sall dictateur. waa jëla jëla
Criminals.
jëla jëla
Friends.
You need a pen.
In case you're dictatorship. We are here to protest against Macron and his government. They are assassinating our people in Africa. They are creating terrorists in Senegal. They are creating fake terrorists in Mali. They are creating terrorists in Burkina Faso. They are creating terrorists in Niger. The French government is a criminal government. The French government is a terrorist government. The French government must know that we, the Senegalese people, are no longer accepting their dictatorship. We asking the world for first to leave our countries. The French are criminals. The French are assassins. Macron is a terrorist. And Macky Sall is a dictator and a terrorist. People of Africa are tired. We are tired. We have enough. Macky Sall is a dictator and a criminal. We are tired. Enough is enough. Africa wants a real independence, a real, true independence, a financial independence, a financial independence, a financial liberation. We want nothing to do with dictatorship. We want democracy, real democracy. We want the French army out of our country. We want the French out of our lands. The French are criminals. What they're showing the world is not the true French color. They are fakes. They are criminals, and we want them out of Africa. The French are assassinating all of our good leaders. If you say no to them stealing your natural resources, they bring terrorists into your country, and they assassinate all your good leaders. Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macron dégage.
Macron dégage.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall terroriste. Macky Sall assassin.
Macky Sall assassin.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall terroriste.
Macky Sall terroriste.
Macky Sall assassin.
Macky Sall assassin.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall terroriste.
Macky Sall terroriste.
Macky Sall assassin.
Macky Sall assassin.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall assassin.
Macky Sall assassin.
Macky Sall terroriste.
Macky Sall terroriste.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall assassin.
Macky Sall assassin.
Macky Sall terroriste.
Macky Sall terroriste.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall assassin.
Macky Sall assassin.
Macky Sall terroriste.
Macky Sall terroriste.
Macron dégage.
Macron dégage.
La France dégage.
La France dégage.
Macron terroriste.
Macron terroriste.
Macky Sall terroriste.
Macky Sall terroriste.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall dégage.
Macky Sall dégage.
Macky Sall assassin.
Macky Sall assassin.
Macron dégage.
Macron dégage.
Macron terroriste.
Macron terroriste.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall assassin.
Macky Sall assassin.
Macron terroriste.
Macron terroriste.
La France dégage.
La France dégage.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall assassin.
Macky Sall assassin.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall terroriste.
Macky Sall terroriste.
Macky Sall assassin.
Macky Sall assassin.
Macron terroriste.
Macron terroriste.
Macron assassin.
Macron assassin.
Free Africa. Free Sénégal. En bas la dictature. En bas la France. Macron dégage. La France dégage. Macron terroriste. Macky Sall terroriste. Free Africa.
La France dégage.
Macky Sall dégage. La France.
En bas la France, en bas la France.
En bas la France.
En bas la France.
En bas la dictature.
En bas les terroristes.
Vive la vraie démocratie.
En bas les terroristes, les Français terroristes.
Dictature.
En bas les Français terroristes.
En bas les Français terroristes. En bas Macky Sall. Free Ousmane Sonko. Free Ousmane Sonko.
En bas les Français colonialistes.
Politique.
En bas les colonialistes français.
jërëjëf gars yi.
En bas.
ku bëgg a jël kàddu rek bismillah.
Man.
Bonsoir. On est là tout simplement pour montrer tout le monde que les Français, ce sont les Français qui sont les problèmes de l'Afrique. Les Français, leur ingérence, on veut qu'ils arrêtent leur ingérence sur nos affaires sénégalo-sénégalaises. Si vous voyez que Ousmane Sonko est en prison, c'est pas Macky Sall qui a emprisonné Ousmane Sonko, mais c'est Macron et le gouvernement français. Donc, nous demandons aux Français, à Macron, de libérer Sonko, parce que c'est pas Macky Sall. Macky Sall, c'est une marionnette seulement, c'est un bouton. Donc, lui, il ne fait que appliquer les consignes et les propositions de la France. Donc, nous voulons une indépendance totale de du Sénégal de la France. La France, depuis des centaines d'années, ils sont en train de piller et d'abuser les pays africains. Et ils ne veulent pas arrêter. Ils ne veulent pas arrêter. Maintenant, cette population, jeune population, la génération de maintenant, nous n'allons plus les laisser actuellement. Nous allons continuer à manifester jusqu'à ce que la France sorte du Sénégal. Les bases militaires françaises, nous les voulons hors du Sénégal. Les colonialistes qui sont au ministère de l'Intérieur en train d'apprendre le gouvernement, le ministre de l'Intérieur, comment faire pour asseoir une dictature ou apartheid. Ce sont eux qui avaient amené ça en Afrique du Sud. C'est eux qui sont en train d'amener ça au Sénégal. Les Sénégalais ne pensaient pas que ce combat c'est pour Pastef seulement. C'est pour tous les Sénégalais. C'est pour tous les Sénégalais. Si nous les laissons, nous serons comme en Afrique du Sud avant. Donc, merci beaucoup et la bataille continue. On va gagner. Macky Sall, dictateur.
Macky Sall, dictateur.
Macron, terroriste.
Macron, terroriste.
Macron, terroriste.
Macron, terroriste.
La France, 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 terroriste.
Macky Sall, terroriste.
Macky Sall, terroriste.
La France, terroriste.
La France, terroriste.
La France, terroriste.
La France, terroriste.
Macron, terroriste.
Macron, terroriste.
Macron, terroriste.
Macron, terroriste.
Macron, terroriste.
Macron, voleur.
La France, terroriste.
La France, voleur.
La France, voleur.
La France, voleur.
La France, violeur.
La France, violeur.
Macron, voleur. Macron, violeur. La France, assassin. Macron, assassin. La France, criminel. Macron, criminel. La France, voleur. Macron, voleur. Macky Sall, criminel. La France, terroriste. La France, terroriste. La France, terroriste. La France, terroriste. Macron, terroriste. La France, terroriste. guys. You French people, we're back. We back just like we told you. We're gonna keep on coming back. We're gonna keep on coming back and back. We are going to keep on coming back until you get it in your mind that the young African generation is fed up. We can't take it no more. You stole everything from us, and you still not that developed in Europe. You have no shame. Go look in Italy. Everywhere you go, you find little Italy. Do you guys see any little France here? If only a little France for you to have it, you have to come find us on 116th Street. Now you're trying to conquer that street from us. Bande de volants que vous êtes. Vous n'avez aucune shame. Chaque année, vous volez 500 billion from us. Si vous êtes un pays développé, mais restez chez vous. Tout l'amour du ciel, restez chez vous. Nous vous avons tout donné. Nous vous avons libéré de l'Allemagne. Les tirailleurs sénégalais sont partis là-bas. Vous les avez mis au front. On les a massacrés, mais quand même, ils vous ont sauvés de l'Allemagne. Vous leur avez menti en disant qu'ils auront leur nationalité française. Vous leur avez menti en disant qu'ils auront leur pension au même titre que les Français blancs. Alors que tout ça, c'était des bobards. Quand ils sont rentrés au Sénégal, et ils ont commencé à demander ce qu'ils avaient pu, vous les avez tous assassinés. Bande de lâches que vous êtes. As we said, we're going to keep on coming back. Si vous pensez que cette génération africaine, elle est la même que l'ancienne génération, vous vous foutez le doigt dans l'œil. Because we ain't stopping until you stop and get the heck out of our place. You there raping us, raping our women, raping our economy. Every damn thing you have in France is from Africa. Whether it is Senegal, or Mali, or Guinea, or Burkina Faso, every damn thing is from Africa. You fools, if you think that is going to continue, you think you can steal from our grandparents, keep stealing from our parents, and we're going to let you steal from us. You see these young kids? Nah, you need to stop. La France terroriste.
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 Vous, la France, c'est vous qui êtes derrière l'emprisonnement de Ousmane Sonko. Nous savons que vous voulez le tuer, tout le monde que vous avez tué Thomas Sankara. De la même sorte que vous avez tué Patrice Lumumba. De la même façon, vous avez tué Mamadou Dia. De cette même façon, vous avez tué Cheikh Anta Diop. Et si vous continuez, vous risquez de vous tirer une balle à plein tête vous. Vous l'avez déjà fait. Vous l'avez déjà fait au Mali. Mali just kicked you out of Mali. Vous l'avez fait au Burkina Faso. Ils vous ont foutu dehors. Le Niger vous foutu dehors. Comme j'ai l'habitude de le dire, Senegal is going to be next. We ain't gonna watch you take everything from us. We are tired of it. C'est à vous de venir chez nous, travailler pour nous. Nous sommes vos employeurs et vous serez nos employés. Que ça vous plaise ou non, that's how it's going to be. From now on, nous allons dominer le monde. Parce que tout ce qui est dans ce monde, qui vous permet de dominer le monde, ça vient de l'Afrique. Your electricity in France is from Africa. Your electricity in France is from Africa. You steal it from Niger.
Wait.
The iron you use to build your tall buildings is from Africa. You'll be stealing it from Guinea.
Absolutely, yeah.
The glasses you're using on your buildings is from Africa.
Get out, boy.
You're taking it from Senegal. You Gaddafi. You create a big problem of terrorism in Africa.
Wow, excellent.
You are the one funding those terrorists. You are the one training those terrorists. You are the one helping them to kill Africans. We have camera footages of these statements. We have videos of these statements. We have records, tons of records, with you collaborating with the terrorists. La France terroriste.
La France terroriste.
La France terroriste. La France terroriste. La France criminelle. We want the world to know that if you see Africans all over the world today, it's literally the fault of the French people. Because they come in our country and take everything from us. What else we have to do? We need to survive. We need to survive. And therefore, we need to survive. And therefore, we have to go elsewhere to find meaning. Everywhere you see Africans in this world migrating is because they're running away from France criminality. Partout où vous vous trouvez en Afrique, dans le monde, c'est parce que la France a causé la misère chez nous. La France se nourrit de l'Afrique. The France is sucking our blood. $500 billion every damn year. Do the math. How much money is that? Just half of it can develop Senegal. Or even the third of it, because we are just 17 million people. It's not that much. If it wasn't for France, we would have been a very, very, very rich country with very, very rich people. But France think that they need that more than us. But hell no, we need it more than you. So we need you to start taking our money. We need you to start taking our gold. We need you to start taking our diamond, our oil, our uranium, our cobalt, our phosphate, every damn natural resources you take it from us. You bunch of thieves. You bunch of bullies. You bunch of terrorists. You bunch of assassins. You bunch of criminals.
That's right.
Like we've been saying, we know that Macky Sall is just your puppet. Our president is nothing but your puppet. Just like Senghor was your puppet. Just like Abidou was your puppet.
Yes, sir.
Now we have Usman Sonko, who is proud African. We need that in Africa. You've killed Thomas Sankara, who was a proud African. You've killed Patrice Lumumba, who was a proud African. Every proud African we get, you managed to kill them. But guess what? That don't stop Africans to keep raising proud Africans, because we are a proud people. So you can't stop us. You kill 100 more is born. You kill 100, 1,000 is born. You kill 1,000, 10,000 is born. How many of us you think you can kill? We are here again, and we're gonna keep on coming again and again and again until you leave the heck us alone.
Yes, sir.
Leave us alone.
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 All right, guys. As you can see, more and more people are coming. A lot of people are at work. That is why you've been seeing the little people you've been seeing. But if you notice, again, if you're smart, every day you keep us growing. You keep seeing us growing little by little, little by little. One day, we're going to fill up this whole front of your building. One day, we're going to make sure that you don't even have a place to step, because all Africa wants you out of Africa. And whether you like it or not, you're going to keep the hell out of Africa. We are tired of your crimes. We are tired of your terrorism. You're telling us that you're going to Africa to help us solve the terrorism in different countries. The problem is, we Africans know that you are the one creating those terrorists. You are the one hiring those terrorists. You are the one funding those terrorists. And you are even the one training those terrorists. We have camera footages of your actions in Africa. Everything I'm saying here, you can Google it and find it. Everything I'm saying is a known fact. So, as we said, we're going to keep on coming until you start stealing from us. We can take it.
What he said? What he said? He said.
France terroriste. La France terroriste. Macron terroriste. Macron assassin. La France assassin.
La France assassin.
La France terroriste.
La France terroriste.
Macron terroriste.
Macron terroriste.
Macron criminel.
Macron criminel.
La France criminel.
La France criminel.
La France terroriste.
La France terroriste.
Macron terroriste.
Macron terroriste.
La France terroriste.
Look at me and look at me again. Once.
Macron terroriste.
Okay.
La France criminelle.
La France criminel.
Macron criminel.
Macron criminel.
La
I'm
France
not gonna tell you
terroriste.
again.
La France terroriste.
Get out of my way.
Macron terroriste.
Macron terroriste.
La France criminelle.
Pay attention.
Macron
1 second.
criminel.
Go ahead.
La France criminelle.
La France criminel.
La France terroriste.
La France terroriste.
Free Sonko. Free Sonko. Free Sonko. Free Sonko. Guys, we need to make a stop on that because the problem is, again, Ousmane Sonko was jailed by France.
By France.
Not by Macky Sall.
Not by Macky Sall.
Everything that is happening to Ousmane Sonko is because of France.
Yeah.
Never by Macky Sall. We know it. Every day. Every day, we're getting more evidences of your crimes in Africa. Every day, we're getting more evidences of you being behind everything that is happening to Ousmane Sonko. La France criminelle.
La France criminel.
La France assassin.
La France assassin.
I just wanted to put 2 words in there just to touch the ball on the rebound of what you just said about France being behind all of this. We all know that. That's why we hit the nail on the head by standing right here, people. We are on the right spot. Our problem is France. France and France. Our problem is not Macky Sall. Macky Sall is just a puppet. He's being pulled by the strings. And now, if you remember the last demonstration of the Senegalese diaspora in Paris, it was a big one, right? All their secret services were there, and they took their report to Macron. They told him, yo, homeboy, we ain't never seen shit like that. These people are determined, you know? And guess what? Since then, Macron hasn't said a word about our situation, right? That means he's behind this all this shit. Macron is behind this. Hear me out, you motherfucker, Macron. No, I'm gonna say that. Yeah, I'm gonna say that. Yeah, he's, you know. Where's his wife, man? I heard he's married. I mean, I want to see his real wife, man. Anyway, I'm gonna go everywhere, man. So anyway, we are on the right spot. Let's keep on coming here. Let's stop our work. Let's keep coming here. and make it happen and keep hitting the drum on this. France is behind this. They will be behind this until Macky Sall is out and out and down and out. Until they see that, they have their 1 foot out and 1 foot in. In case we get Macky Sall in a bad situation, they will try to trick us into like, oh, we've been with you, all of that. You know, Sonko had an interview with France 24, right? Over 1 million people, right? And they knew this is not simple, this is something. Yet, they haven't said a word in favor of Sonko or in favor of the Senegalese people. Publicly, they haven't. So they're still financing this knucklehead, you know what I mean, with his belly full of riba, you know, and his kids. Look at his family, man, his kids. Look how they're grown, man. They look like monkeys. You know what monkeys? You got balloons, man. Americans, you guys have a birthday party, you got balloons, man. These kids look like balloons, you know, like himself, because they're eating bad money. And we need the bad money back to our people and back to our country, just like everything that's going to in Niger. What's going on in Niger? This is, back in the 60s, they used to say, Le Soleil des Indépendants. That was a fool joke. That wasn't real. This is really the Soleil des Indépendants. Now, we have to keep this ball rolling down. Niger, Burkina Faso, Guinea, Mali, now next gonna be Senegal, and around all over Africa, we're gonna be free, free, forever. Free. And next thing you know, I'll be glad 10, 20 years from now, I'll still be not that old, I'll be the Minister of Interior when French will be immigrating in Senegal, trying to get Cap Séjour. I'll nail it down, man.
Thank you, brother, man.
That was very, very, very nice of you. We appreciate statements like that.
Macky Sall assassin.
La France assassin.
Macky Sall terroriste.
Macky Sall terroriste.
Macky Sall terroriste.
Macky Sall terroriste.
Macron terroriste.
Macron terroriste.
Macky Sall terroriste.
Macky Sall terroriste.
Free Ousmane Sonko.
Ousmane Sonko.
Free Ousmane Sonko. Free les otages politiques. Macky Sall dictateur. Macky Sall assassin. Macky Sall dictateur. Macky Sall assassin. Free Sénégal. Free Africa. Macron dégage. Macky Sall dégage. Ambara dictature. Macky Sall assassin. Macky Sall dictateur. Macron terroriste. La France terroriste. Libérez l'Afrique. Libérez le Sénégal. La France dégage. Macron dégage. Macky Sall dictateur. Macky Sall assassin. Macky Sall assassin. Macky Sall dictateur. Macky Sall assassin. Macron assassin. Macron dégage. Macky Sall dégage. Free Ousmane Sonko. Free Fadilou Keïta. Free Bassirou Diomaye. Free Cheikh Bara Ndiaye. Free Abdou Karim Diop. Macky Sall dégage. Free Ousmane Sonko. Free les otages politiques. La France dégage. On en a marre. Le mémoire de nos Zimbabwe. La France dégage. La France dégage. France dégage. Free Africa. We want to let the French government know that this is a journey we embarked on. We will not stop coming until you leave us and our leaders alone. We have very clear states of mind. We want to run our democracy. First, you couldn't support your own self against other men. Germany has kicked your ass, and Russia has promised to kick your ass. We need you out of our countries. We're gonna keep coming until France leave us alone. We don't want nothing to do with France. They kill all our good leaders. They are killing our children. France, whenever you are against them, they kill you. Whenever you are against their rules and their regulations, they kill you. They have burned down villages in Africa, villages. France have burned down countries. France have created terrorists in Africa. The French government is a criminal government. The French government is a terrorist government. The French government are the real terrorists. If you're wondering why all these terrorists are around the world, go check France. They are the terrorist creators. They are the ones that finance terrorism. France is a terrorist country. Macron is a terrorist president. Now Macky Sall is even worse. We want you to know, if anything happened to Ousmane Sonko, you're going to have to kill all of us. Because we are not going to let it go this time. We're going to keep coming. France, you must know that we're going to keep coming. We're going to keep protesting. We're going to keep doing everything we can until the French leave Africa. We want the French in France. America is in America. We want every country can stay in their own land. We don't want to be here, I promise you. We are only chasing our natural resources. We have gold, we have diamond, we have gold, we have oil. Wondering why we poor? Because we are robbed. You know what a bully really is? A bully is somebody who bullies someone. And the French is bullying Africa. Africa freed them from Germany, and they turn around and train their military and go kill the African people. I don't know where is that correct, where is that right in the world. We are good citizens. We are human beings. We need dignity. We need respect. Why is the French people assassinating African leaders? Why nobody saying anything? Why French don't go try and attack China? No. You want to be a man, you want to show the world that you're a real man, go attack the real country, big countries. We are Africans. We are rich and we are poor. You wonder why? Because all our resources are stolen by these imperialists, by all these terrorist countries. You know the excuse they use to rob us? Oh, there is terrorists in the countries. We don't know nothing about terrorism. We have no guns. We have no guns. We are very good people. All we know is our little farming. All we know is our little survival skills. We go hunting. We survive naturally. We do not need the French in our countries. Please liberate Africa. Please, the world, help us liberate Africa. We want France to dégage. France dégage. France dégage. Free Ousmane Sonko. Free Ousmane Sonko. Free Ousmane Sonko. Macky Sall dégage. France dégage. Sonko. We crying, the world must listen to us. France is killing the African leaders. France is creating coup d'etats in Africa. France is creating terrorists in Africa. France is killing Africa's children. France is raping African women. France is stealing our natural resources. We want the world to know. Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macron terroriste.
Macron terroriste.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macron terroriste.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall dictateur.
Macky Sall assassin.
Macky Sall assassin.
Macron assassin.
Macky Sall dictateur. Libérez Sonko. Libérez Sonko. Libérez Diomaye. Libérez El Malick. Libérez Ndongo Diop. Libérez Diop Taïf. Libérez Ousmane Sarr. Libérez Abdou Karim. Libérez Zahra Ousmane Sonko.
Libérez Seydina Ousmane Sonko.
Libérez Yaye Sène Saliou.
Libérez Yaye Sène Saliou.
Libérez Diop Taïf.
Libérez Diop Taïf.
Libérez Bassirou Diomaye. Libérez Cheikh Bara Ndiaye. Libérez Sénégal. Macky Sall dictateur. Macky Sall criminel. Macky Sall sàcc la. Macky Sall criminel. voilà man message bi may jàll mooy ndaw ñi nga xam ne ñu ngi Sénégal gis ngeen ñi teew fii ñëpp yaakaar naa caméra yi ñu ngeen di jël ñu ngi teew fii amul importance voilà fi ay papa ak suñu ngoro yu mel ni man nga xam ne ay kawar yu ñuul kukk la ñu yor bu ngeen xoolee dëkk bi ñu nekk di New York ñu fi fees benn amuñu liggéey ñëpp di daw ñiy jëm France ñiy jëm si gaal yi ñiy jëm feneen te yeneen problème mu ñëw yu gën a pire te lii yëpp Ousmane Sonko doon na ko wax tey loolu ñu daan wax tey moo ëpp suñu kaw daanaka boo xoolee léegi ñun ñi nekk fii benn exemple la ñun ñii ñëpp boo xool si ñun damuñu daanaka suñu bopp dem nañ ba am problème ma fu doon ni ku ma jam sax du ma ko yëg ndax yëgatuma dara sama yaram damay toog sax di réccu lan moo tax ma dem ba xam problème Sénégal parce que dëkk bii ma nekk sax xaw ma lu ko xam ndax Sénégal moo dal ñëpp nag virus boobu moo ñu dugal ñun lépp.
That's right.
sama benn xarit dama woo ne ma dañu yóbbu kaso ma ne ko man ma ko dootuma xam lu xaw Sénégal mais vraiment loolu la ndax moo duggee kaso ma gis ci téléphone dootuma xam lu xew dafa li xew su ma yeewoo bala maa julli damay njëkk a def mooy xool li ci téléphone bi ak Sénégal léegi nag loolu noonu yëpp Sénégal yi nekk fii Sénégal ñoo war a jël seen responsabilité ñu xam ne mbir mi Macron bi ñu yóbbu ñu ngi fii taxaw si ambassade ci New York dinaan ko Macron terroriste yi nga xam di ko yóbbu du moom moo ñuy saafara la nekk Sénégal dégg ngeen tey li xew dëkk bi Niger nee nañ président bi mu yor si alal moom moo ëpp état bi lu mu am si alal président bi li mu am moom si alal comme Macky Sall maanaam bala moo ñëw si pouvoir bi yow gën dër léegi tey moom moo ëpp alal maanaam pouvoir bi ak gouvernement bi maanaam Macky Sall bu ko boo gisee muy xaru di jël soldats yi ne day risque dem pour def attaque foofu parce que ñoom ñaar simple benn la léegi nag Sénégalais yi xeex bi du jeex gis ngeen ñi ñuy xeexal nii dëgg la amagu nee na tekk comme noonu koy gisee mais deful tekk rek gars yi ñoom ñëpp dañoo tiit kenn ku si nekk koy dox yaa ngi jël di xool ndax gars yi ñëwuñ sa bopp parce que ñun duñ leen may jàmm kenn ku nekk nag day xaar kenn ku nekk lii ñëw sa ginnaaw tant que bàyyiwuñ Ousmane Sonko tant que bàyyiwuñ détenu politique nga xam ne leen tëj ci biir kaso léegi nag dafa am loo xam ne lu muy métti métti ñun duñ ko dund ñoom ñoo ko dund gaa ñu am nañ yërmande si li Sénégal yi di dund ba mënutuñoo toog waaye yow mi ko dund pire nga xam ne sa yaay day dem hôpital ñu ne la nga toog mu war ne la mère bi ne yàlla def na lu gën léegi yow kan moo la ko problème parce que yow xale bu ndaw yow mënoo fi faj benn gàcc wala dëkk bi ñu nekk ñii xale yi ngay gis ne kenn ku si nekk si loolu bi ngeen mën a lijjanti seen bopp yow nga nekk si réew mi mënoo lijjanti sa bopp ay nit teg la ko nekk si biir réew mi di saw sa kaw nga mën a faj loolu nga toog sa kër naan sama yoon nekk si le combat bi dafay continuer li may wax faj projet rek ne leen président Ousmane Sonko préparé nañu lii yëpp moom dafa wax ñaar dénk naa sama bopp yàlla dénk sama bopp peuple du Sénégal.
Aleykum salaam.
peuple du Sénégal bu ñu toogoon seetaan ko moom yàlla du ko seetaan ndax li mu war a def yëpp def na ko li ko dal rek moo ñu dal ndax manqué wul dara nekkoon na koo xam ne mënoon na fa jaaree tekki tedd comme ni ngeen koy waxee Sénégal yi li ñu wooyee tekki ak tedd mooy ko sàcc ba mu koo xam ne démb dala doon romb nga di ko yóbbaale wala mu lay ñaan tey mu xëy ñu fal ko nga naan ko tekki na loolu moo xaw Sénégal président Ousmane Sonko fa nekk wallaahi naa si man gëm naa ne lépp lu mu doon xeex parce que yàlla du fay fen bàyyi dëkk parce que ñun ñi nañ ko xool suñu bopp li ñuy def si combat bi te xamuñu ko te du fi yokkoon ñii ngeen gis fi yëpp da ngay toog yaa kenn woo la ne la booy yi dee soxla nañ de xaaral ma yónnee la li nga jox ko booy te pourtant mënoon nañ si mën a teg am na ñoo xamante ni nelaw duñ seen lépp si Sénégal lañ def tey ñun ñii ñëpp mënoon nañoo dem liggéey am nañu liggéey taxawaal bu am nañu famille comme ñëpp mais lan moo tax ñu bàyyi nii parce que liggéey bi dund si réew mi foofu moom métti ñu gis ko diaspora yëpp ñu ngi génn def nañu dañu mag li des yéen a koy monté ñu nag li ñu mag mooy di leen bouger bu leen am ay solution bu leen jàppale léegi nag dimbal na si fekk doxal borom yàlla fay sa tool fii boo mujjee sa tool ba pare kay toog di xaar yàlla ji taw nee na ñax mi dina sax dugub ji dina baax ndax yàlla ji dina dox day booy doo ko jëriñu foofu lañ toll ñu fexe système bi gis ngeen Macky Sall lu mu def système bu def jël benn télévision mooy télé tapale boobu noonu xaw ma Futurs Médias lañ koy wax ñu koy yóbbu Ousmane Sonko rajee nañ ko Ousmane Sonko tas nañ parti bi loolu yëpp président Ousmane Sonko préparé woon na ko ñun ñëpp suñu ay xel parce que tey discours Sonko mooy ñëwaat si ñun moom la ñu toogaat nii di ko lire nii kon moom xam ngeen moom préparé woon na ko ba te jaaxlewul kon léegi question bi nan la nekkatul ragal kaso nekkatul dee nekkatul blessé nekkatul ñu jàpp parce que loolu mooy li gën a tuuti si combat bi te moom wax na ko feere na boppam ba pare bu yàgg kon les patriotes sama gars yi ak sénégalais yëpp jël leen seen responsabilité ngeen xam ne li leen Macky Sall nar a tegal bu leen ko nangu ay candidat yoo xam ne juróomi candidat la leen tegal benn bokk benn tas yaakaar kaat yi mooy système bi sàcc yooyu léegi nag ñoo mënu leen tànn leen si ñuy kenn par force ngeen am sàcc par force ngeen am dictateur par force ngeen am rebelle par force ngeen am mafia boo xam ne teg ngeen ak France loolu leen Macky Sall bëgg tegal 5 candidats yoo xam ñooñu noonu kenn ku si nekk rek yow am na Sénégal mu ne nag ki nga xam ne dafa gore dafa leew amul yorul Sénégal benn dërëm dafa sacrifice boppam def ak Sénégal loolu Ousmane Sonko ba mu commencé wër ba léegi def ko ci police musul am jàmm musul ko may jàmm tey nag ñun dañoo war a toog seetaan man yàlla moo si bokk si ñuy toog seetaan kenn ku nekk da nga fexe ba pour bokk si ñuy toog seetaan loolu da nga war a kenn ku si nekk bu xeex la ngay xeexee kenn ku si nekk bu Ousmane Sonko doon candidat ba dafa dellu ginnaaw parce que bu Ousmane Sonko ñàkkee ñun ñëpp ñàkk gis ngeen diaspora ñun ñëpp fu mu toll nii ñun suñu yaakaar kenn mu Ousmane Sonko yaakaaru Sénégal tamit diaspora la ndax lépp lu baax Sénégal boo dee rek Modou Modou bi moo ko moom Fatou Fatou bi loolu mooy dëgg Sénégal dara moom bi parce que dafa def leen France ko moom France ko tey xëy na Niger damay tey damay fexe ba léegi doon naan parce que ñoom Niger amuñu dara la ñu am France dëgg rek sama même si APR moom Portugal moom internet moom ñun dara moom ñu ko lépp France moo ko géré moom léegi bu ñëwoon France mu ubbee connexion coupé lépp dara di jàll loolu la ñuy xeex comme ni nga xam ne ñuy xeex lu mu dox mën ngaa kontaan yow fii moom ak lépp di génne taaw boo demee foofu dëkk yooyu ñëw doon xool Sénégal boo demee ci Tambacounda kenn ku ne la xool fa la jógee nekk la ab dëkk toog ci or ñu ñëw ne dañuy taal waa dëkk bi génn ñu jël ñu taal dëkk bi am na Sénégal ñëpp
waaw jaay doole terroriste
may ma une seconde rek ma am lu ma wax may ma toll.
waaw dafa am lu mu wax léegi mu am solo dégg nañu benn waa ji tuuti bu bokk ci suñu communauté bi ndeysaan ñu nekkoon fi ak moom ñun ñëpp ñu taxawu ko nag bokk ci di xeex pour ñu defal ñu ko consul nee na daf ñuy menacé de nee na Sénégalais yi dama leen di dugal prison defoon na ko ak man fan la dugg ci gàcce rek ñun dañu bëgg ngeen xam ne ñun ragaluñu kaso ragaluñu dee ñun yàlla la ñu gëm yàlla rek la ñu gëm ku gëm yàlla doo ragal dara ragal yam yàlla la boo leen yaakaaree ne takk seen rajo yi parce que def ngeen seen ñoom yu ne fan waxu lañ imaginer ku ñu yëkkati koo xam ne yow xam nga coono diaspora ñu yëkkati la ñu ne jiital ñu diaspora sa diaspora bu ñu amee lu leen naqari sax woo leen nga waxtaan ak ñoom ne leen man du ma ànd ak ñeneen ne yan laay àndal tu nous menaces voilà yaa ngi menacé yaa ngi wax lu la neex waaye ñu ngi lay xaar ci koñ ba comme niñ ko xaaree woon paparekat yére avant yow daw ñu yootaa reculé wu ñu yootaa dañu ne ngeen wax ci fulla bi ak fayda bi ngeen libéré sénégalais yi ngeen bàyyi seen tappale yi ak seen duy njaaj yi ngeen bàyyi seen alal yu lew yi lii ngeen di jox seen njaboot yi wóorul lii mooy tax seen njaboot yi di mujjee am ay cancer yéen ngeen di am ay obèse ay problème bàyyi leen sàcc bàyyi leen tappale bàyyi leen fen bàyyi leen sos bàyyi leen dégloo leen moomul bàyyi leen ñu ñaaj bàyyi tricher imaginer dans un pays normal adduna bi yëpp Amérique néew ma ñoo gën a jub ci adduna bi de waaye balaa ngay mën a nekk candidat dañuy xam ne yow nii doo sàcc doo reykatu nit doo toppale mosula ñu naan te ci benn ñoom ne ñoom ma lépp moo normal nag waaye Sénégal dañuy ne képp ku musta sàcc yow war a nekk président soo musta tojee soo musta rey nit soo musta def yóbbe yi gën a mag ci adduna bi yow moom loo jiite réew mi non yow waroo nekk président parce que yow boo nekkee président réew mi day réglé te bëgguñu réew mi réglé yow bëgguñu réew mi réglé de moo tax li ñuy wax toujours ñu ne jaam ak pexeen yàlla dogalam gis nga ñi doon ñi def tegoon pexe ne Nelson Mandela du ma sa nekk président Nelson Mandela nekk na président Afrique du Sud woon leen ne il n'est pas assoiffé par le pouvoir mu def benn mandat delloowaat leen seen réew woon leen ne yàlla rek moo fi te bu mu génnee dafa jégal nag le président Ousmane Sonko xaw ma dina fekkee xaw ma du ma fekkee yàlla yor bakkan waaye sénégalais yi jox nañ ko seen xol ba pare. Inch'Allah moom nekk na président ba pare. parce que Sénégal ñaari président la am. le président automatique qui s'est prononcé président. ñàkk jom ñàkk jom. tëj géew bi balaa ñuy ne une deux trois mu ne moom moo gagné. ak président bi nga xam ne moom moo nekk ci xolu doomu aadama yi. bu légitime. boo xam ne moom la ñëpp bëgg te wax na leen ko nee na leen moom yàlla rek la yaakaar ak Sénégalais yi pourtant nga waroon naa def bi ñëpp popularité bi mu am tey waroon naa dem lakkatu ci ginnaaw Russie wala lakkatu ci ginnaaw beneen président ne ko man lii de dama bëgg nga protéger ma te kooku dina ko protéger xam na ne mën naa gagné présidence Sénégal waaye boobu loolu moom lu jóg la bëgg. doomu Sénégalais yi ñoo ko
après kii nañ ko corrigé nañ ko quoi. Mafal moo ko seeroon. Mafal moo ko seeroon.
moo ci liggéey yàggul laay bëgg après dama bëggoon di participer quoi. après bu gisee ñu cher ko rek ma ragal ka mu ne
non kii nañ ko
bëggoon naa ci wax message mais comme que
non go ahead fii
bien parce que bëgg mu woon xam nga rek gars yi dañu loolu ko dama lay bàyyi wax mais loolu moom la ma bëggoon wax quoi war nañ ko cher grand
non li jëm nañ ko Mafal moo ko dugal mais génne na ko quoi yeah so you can feel free
mat na sax
I just want to send a message to let everybody know those people that think that going to France is glamorous. All those people that like to go to France visit Eiffel Tower and the Arc de Triomphe and all those things that they show you. I want you to understand
non mais dafa am liggéey
whatever France is
ñu
for
bari
the
dañuy liggéey
Africa.
4 heures rek baax
France
comme ça
wouldn't
duñu lor kenn
exist if they
embouteillage bi
wasn't
jàpp
Africa.
nañ nit ñi dañuy tey fay leen
So people, you guys need to know that we're here to say, France, now it's time to leave us alone. Now it's time for Africa to breathe. We're not going to let you anymore munch on us and feed off of us and be vampires and make us live a miserable life while you're having a better life. We're not going to let that go again. So we have to understand that right now, the whole Africa is waking up. We will not let anybody come to our countries and take what belongs to us and take to their countries and get developed and we stay in misery. We're not going to let that happen again. The African youth is up and ready to fight whoever going to come. The imposters that are going to come to our countries and take what belongs to us. France doesn't have anything but wine and cheese. They just own wine and cheese. Whatever they have, they took it from our country. And that has to stop now because we will not take it anymore. We as people, we're standing up very strong to tell the whole world that Africa is a But we're not going to let people know that information and sleep on it. Because we're going to wake them up to know that we will not let this happen again, and we're not going to let it go on and on again. So we're here to fight and say that, friends, leave us alone. Go and create your own economy. Let us be who we're supposed to be. Let us be the kings and the queens we're supposed to be. Let us be the honor of this world because we are the first in this world. So friends, please, for all the people that think that friends is something they nobody, they just think friends is the colonizer that never wanted to leave because without us they don't exist. So people, help us free ourselves. Help us fight this fight. All the fights that you see in Africa, all the war in Africa, all those problems that everybody is pointing out, thinking that, oh, African people, oh, they poor. We poor because somebody is taking what belongs to us. That's it. And we poor because our leaders that we believe in, that can fight this, leaders to fight this fight, are being assassinated. And we have one right now that is ready to be assassinated and eliminated. Why? Because we want this country to stand up and fight. And we understand that. So Ousmane Sonko, by the blessings of France, is being tortured in Senegal, is being persecuted because he is the one that's going to save our country. So, be here to tell France, Ousmane Sonko going to be the president. And they're going to stop this fire. They're going to stop this is the movement that we have to free our country. Nobody can stop us right now. Nobody can stop us, and we're not going to allow anybody to try to stop us. We're going to elect the one that is supposed to be our leader. We're going to elect him, we're going to put him in front of our country, and he's going to be forcing France to come and deal as human beings. We're not going to be servants anymore. We're not going to be slaves anymore. We're not going to accept that anymore. We're going to make sure it's going to be in the head of Senegal, and when you come to deal with us, it's going to be 50-50, or it's going to be from somebody that owns to somebody that is coming to make a deal. The deal has to be legal and legitimate, and that's what we're asking for. So friends, leave Senegal, free Senegal. We don't need you anymore. Free Senegal.
Macky Sall, terroriste.
Macky Sall, terroriste.
Macron, terroriste.
Macron, terroriste.
Macron,
Assassin, Macron, assassin.
Yo, guys, I want us to show the American people. One second. I want us to show the American people that Ousmane Sonko is going to be our next president. You know how? Oh yeah. Senegal, Sonko binala. Oh yeah. Kapalanchi.
Boobu nag mënu ma ko.
Biye jambe diala. Kaza fadi kilo tele pareka. New York, Sonko binala.
Wala boy.
Oh yeah. Biye jambe diala. Senegal fadi kilo tele pareka. Senegal, Sonko binala. Yo, this is sunu hymn pour one of nigga. No matter what you do, you vampire blood-sucking French people, no matter what you do, Ousmane Sonko is going to be our president. Libérez Sonko!
Libérez Sonko!
Libérez Sonko!
Libérez Sonko!
La France terroriste!
La France terroriste!
Macron terroriste!
Macron terroriste!
Libérez Sonko!
Libérez Sonko!
La France assassin! Libérez Sonko!
Libérez Sonko!
La France terroriste!
France terroriste!
Libérez Sonko! La France criminelle! Libérez Sonko!
Libérez Sonko!
La France terroriste! Libérez Sonko! La France criminelle! Libérez Sonko!
Libérez Sonko!
La France terroriste!
La France terroriste!
Libérez Sonko!
Libérez Sonko!
Voilà gars yi am na ku bëggoon du français kan am na ku bëggoon yokk Okay, so I'm gonna yeah, yes, sir.
Gaynde jàmbaar dawal sa téléphone.
salaamaaleykum. balaa gaañ bi di ñëwaat nañuy def nii. waa jëlali ñëwaat. waa ji ñëwaatee rek dañuy wax ne nañu dem parce que waruñoo fat kii bi.
When I thought when he came here and he talked about his program, I know that now we have a real leader who can lead Senegal, and not only Senegal but Africa. So from there, I begin to follow him, and I see that this is the real leader we really need, and they know that. When they know that this guy is the level of Africa, when they first tried to put him in freedom, it didn't work. A lot of people died, and they try again, it didn't work. Now they told us, okay, we're going to put all the leaders in Senegal in prison. They took all the young guys, and they put them in prison. The good leaders, they put them in prison. From now on, they know that now we can catch the guy. But they forget that they use another hub is the diaspora. The diaspora, I believe that they're going to free Senegal. They're going to free Africa.
That's right.
And I believe that when we walk and do what we have to do, we're going to win the battle again, we're going to win the war.
Yes, right.
We do everything, and I believe on the young guys. I'm sorry. I think that with the young Senegalese, and especially the young people in the diaspora, we're going to do something, and we're going to fix Senegal. So from now on, we have to work very hard. We have to work really hard to organize the Senegalese people in the diaspora, transplant them, explain them what happened. And really, the France government is a problem.
France is a problem.
It's not a problem. But the France government has to let us alone. Help us to get a good democracy. If they don't want, they don't want, they leave us alone. And free Ousmane Sonko. Free Ousmane Sonko. Free Ousmane Sonko. Thank you very much.
We don't need nothing from France. We need them to leave us alone. That's it.
Okay, guys, thank you very much for coming.
From them. We don't need help from them. We don't need nothing from them.
Here until next time.
We don't need nothing from them.
But like we said last time, we're gonna keep on coming. We're gonna keep on coming and coming and coming until you leave us alone. Guys, say, leave us alone. Leave us alone. La France criminelle.
Criminel.
La